By the way, I have checked on the ethics rule. You can take the pen because that's from one government agency to another. So I'm going to clarify that.
Thank you, sir.
So we got to move on. We could talk, we probably talk about the mental health. I could for days, and so we've got to move on. Next, we have Matt Gunny. Matt is a membership services coordinator for your association. Matt, if you will come, you've got like 42 seconds. But no, we're doing okay. We're doing okay on time. If you don't know, Matt Gunny does a wonderful job, as all your staff does for your association. Matt, as member services coordinator, it's not an easy job either. He's got to he's got to herd all these cats in line. So we appreciate Matt. We appreciate what he does. We appreciate his hard work for the association. He has a special guest that he will introduce. But please give Matt a good welcome as he comes to give his report.
All right. Well, now 1 second. So I'm going to abbreviate my portion so that I can give our special guest her time. So first thing, if you went to district meetings, you heard about this. I'm really pleased. This is one of actually Rebecca Troutman's babies. She came up with what was the Kettner Awards about 12 years ago. The Excellence in Innovation Awards program is a program that goes to your county employees. Anything that's been implemented in your county that makes services more efficient, delivers new services, or cuts costs of those services that was implemented in the 2014 calendar year may be submitted to us via online. This is going to pay out 10 $1,000 awards to those county employees. The programs are judged by panels of commissioners, managers, and university faculty, and those awards will be given out in August at the annual conference. So please, if you need information on that, it's online, or get a hold of me, and I will get you in contact with the website, and we can get people signed up for that. It helps all 100 counties. These programs will be shared, and they can make county government efficient all across the nation. They're going to be posted on our website for those winning programs. So we heard about debt set-off. I just wanted to go over this very quickly. 97 counties are currently participating, and 22 regional agencies returned $172 million since inception. Also, the EMS Medicaid cost settlement program, 76 counties participate, and that's returned $258 million. So participation is up, as Kevin said. The pool is down. So if you need more information that's specific to your county, I have that as well. These are our major endorsed programs. Just instead of going over them all individually and for the sake of time, these are all trending up between 5 and 11% this year. And with the exception of U.S. Communities, that is holding steady, trending up slightly, but there's some new guy in charge of that, basketball player, David Thompson or something. So there's a renewed marketing focus on that program. So be looking for some new educational materials on that in your counties. Also, the Live Healthy program has introduced a new prescription. That was the old prescription drug program. They have introduced discount programs for dental and medical, and they can save between 15 to 75% for your county residents on anything from prescriptions, dental work, diagnostic imaging, LASIK surgery, many different things. So with that, I want to introduce Colleen Heptig. She is our Western Nationwide Financial Services Representative. We began endorsing this program in 1989, and I don't want to go into it too much, but currently 9,009 North Carolina employees participate, and we have received about 1.5 million or 64,000 a year in endorsement revenue from this based on the assets by all those county employees. So it's a very important program for us, and this is part of our marketing plan. Colleen has come to do a presentation. They do this every year, and I appreciate her being here, and I'll turn it over to her.
Thank you, everyone. I sincerely appreciate the opportunity to be here. I'm very grateful.
I am Colleen Heftig, and I cover the Western North Carolina region for Nationwide Retirement Solutions. I'm a retirement specialist, and I'd like to talk to you about 3 different areas. The first one is our partnership, what Matt alluded to earlier. For more than 33 years, NACO has teamed up with Nationwide Retirement Solutions to provide a competitive, market-leading retirement plan and education product for your county employees. We have 3,000 counties and special districts enrolled in the program throughout the country, and that totals retirement health and education so that they can have the retirement that they dream of. One of our recent successes was in Pitt County. We do best if we can get into the departments. We work all departments, all shifts. And so we went to the detention center in Pitt County, and we were able to enroll 74 employees, which increased plan participation by 43%. So these are the kind of success rates that we get whenever we can get to the counties, people in their departments where they work and where they live, and help them with retirement. The second thing I want to talk about is America's retirement crisis. And it is something that we're studying quite a bit at Nationwide, because just today alone, 10,000 Americans are going to turn 65. They're going to be the baby boomers of the future. The public sector participation in programs like this is 36 to 40%. So there's still a lot of people that are probably going to retire in North Carolina, and they aren't going to have the retirement that they really hope they could do. 38% of people recently polled are not confident in their ability to save. They really don't know how they can save to fund their retirement. So the way that we hope to overcome some of this is that we have the largest sales force in the country. We have over 350 representatives. 3 people from Nationwide cover North Carolina. I'm in the west, we have someone in the east, and we have someone in the northern central part. You can always reach someone at Nationwide. Customer service is open until 11 o'clock at night. The web is 24/7, and we also have customer service now working on Saturday afternoons. I have an internal partner. I always say he got a desk and I got a car, and it worked out great for both of us because we both love our jobs. The third thing I want to talk about is nationwide investment here in North Carolina. We do a lot in all communities that we serve. Every year when we have our national sales meeting, we pick a charity in that city, and we go and work and do something for that charity, and we never leave town without giving them a check, because that's what we believe is best with Nationwide and for everyone else. But in Nationwide, in North Carolina, we employ 1,270 people. We have call centers here, we have claim centers here, and we invest in 9 offices with approximately 214,000 square feet of office space. So North Carolina is a very important state for Nationwide. Also, our associates believe in giving back in many ways that we can. We have a United Way drive every single year. We've built a children's hospital up in Columbus, Ohio. We do volunteer services. I mentioned our national sales meeting. We do them locally as well. We support food banks in Raleigh, North Carolina. We are a supporter of that food bank, and I'm trying to get some support for a food bank in Western North Carolina as well. We're working on that. We also have Red Cross blood donations for our associates so they can help with the Red Cross programs. But we are so grateful for our partnership with you. We really, really appreciate it. We've invested in technology. We now have a mobile web. It's not an app on your phone. It's an actual mini website. It will fit any size phone. It doesn't matter how big your screen is or how small. And I like it that it's not an app, because you can do everything on your phone that you can do on your laptop or your desktop. We've launched an interactive retirement planner where people can go in and figure out, where am I now, where do I need to go, and what tweaks do I need to make to get there. We have an online scheduler now that the counties can use. They can go in and schedule an appointment with me or any rep on the day we're going to be in the county. They can check what they want to talk to us about, and they can cancel that appointment, change it, and they'll also get a reminder. So we are making investments in Nationwide and in the people that we serve in the counties. Thank you again so much for letting me be here, and thank you for your support.
Thank you, Colleen. Colleen will be at dinner with us tonight. I don't know if she'll have the opportunity to have a booth or not, but you can certainly speak to her. Now we're getting ready to close our board meeting.